Okay, sorry about that. My video got cut out, but in the end, we found that a was -4. So we're going to take the h and k and the a value, and then go ahead and make a function with that. We'll put -4 out in front of the cube root, and h was 0, so we don't need to write that, and then k was also 0. So this is actually going to be the final thing here, and that'll be it. Alrighty, last one here is, I guess you have the volume of the cylinders between 16 pi and 250 pi, and the height of the cylinder is 2 times the radius. What are the possible minimum and maximum radius and height of the cylinder? And then here is, I guess, your formula right there. So anyways, I guess what we're going to do here, we got to think, okay, the height is 2 times the radius. So instead of writing this h right here, it's kind of hard to see there, I'm going to write 2 times r in for the h. I'm going to replace the h in the formula with that there. So this would look like this here. It'd be pi and then r squared and then times 2 times r. And then when you go ahead and simplify that, that's going to get you r squared times r is r cubed. So this will be 2 pi r cubed, and then equals your volume. Then what I'm going to do from there is plug in my 2 volumes and then figure out what the different radiuses that correspond with those are. So let's go here, 16 pi in for the volume, and then we got pi, and then, oh I'm sorry, we had 2 pi and then r cubed. Okay, I'm going to divide both sides here by 2 pi, which actually the pi's really just cancel out right away. And then the 2's cancel out, and then 16 divided by 2 is going to be 8. This 8 equals r cubed, and then you would cube root both sides, and that's r equals 2. Right, so the smallest the radius could be to follow this situation here is 2. And then now we're going to do the same thing with the 250. 250 pi equals 2 pi r cubed. Oops. We'll divide both sides here by 2 pi. The pi's should cancel out. The 2's will divide. 2 goes into 250 125 times. And then when you cube root both sides here, you'll get 5 for your radius there. So we can go ahead and put the units. Oh, okay, they didn't really put any units here, so I guess 2 units and 5 units right there. And that would be the highest and lowest that those units could be.